Best sheds for a DIY built sauna. Number 1. Handy sheds for a DIY built sauna. Not available in FL due to weather restrictions. Pre-hung, 56 inches wide by 6 feet high double doors with integrated transom windows are mounted on full length, galvanized steel hinges. Oversized, 7 feet high side walls and 10 feet peak, extended roof overhangs. Includes a complete wood floor with floor framing and OSB wood floor decking. Factory primed siding is ready to paint sold separately. Includes deluxe window suite, 3 operable windows with 3 upper transom windows. Includes appearance package, 1 roof dormer with 3 transom windows, 2 arched gable vents, and carriage house style, faux strap hinges.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Mistmo sheds for a DIY built sauna. Our outdoor storage shed features a sophisticated midnight blue color, which may appear dark blue-black under different lighting. This unique hue adds elegance and modernity to any outdoor space. Please note this slight color variation to ensure it matches your expectations. Check our main image video to see the actual product color as filmed. The color of the item you receive will match what is shown in the video. Our storage shed is delivered in 3 boxes, which may arrive on different days. Due to Amazon shipping platform limitations, only 1 tracking number is uploaded. If your shipment seems incomplete or if you need the additional tracking numbers, please contact our customer support directly.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Lux Oak sheds for a DIY built sauna. Storage shed is crafted from premium PP material and the door frame and connecting panels are reinforced with stainless steel cores for added stability, providing resistance to UV rays and rain. The shed features wear-resistant ABS corner protectors and drainage outlets at each corner, preventing water accumulation. The roof is designed to withstand heavy loads, making it a reliable choice for outdoor storage. Equipped with a transparent window and dual ventilation ports at the front and rear, storage sheds reduce humidity and allow natural light to enter, creating a well-ventilated and bright interior and helping to keep your stored items dry and fresh.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Yita Home sheds for a DIY built sauna. Air ventilated and light transmissible. The lockable door design offers anti-theft protection. Skylights and semi-transparent side windows facilitate natural light while louvered windows promote air circulation to prevent moisture buildup. A sloped roof effectively drains water to achieve extended durability. All-weather durability. Crafted from high-quality thermoplastic synthetic resin, our Yita Home plastic shed is resistant from fading, corrosion, water, and UV light, so it's durable in diverse weather conditions. 16 mm thick double-layer resin panels resist warping and cracking for long-lasting use.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Lifetime sheds for a DIY built sauna. Lifetime's 15-foot wide sheds are not only built for superior strength and durability, they also have an attractive appearance and designed to accent the beauty of your backyard. The convenient, centralized location of the doors allows for easy access to your storage without having to climb over things to reach items stored in the back. The innovative design and durable construction creates the perfect solution for your storage needs. Dual wall high-density polyethylene, HDPE, construction, sturdy steel reinforced construction. Heavy-duty steel trusses provide additional roof strength. Slip-resistant high-density polyethylene, HDPE, floor protects against oil, solvents.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.